Today we're going to bring an Apple Pencil. Now this one does require a charging station. It's a Type C. They give you extra pen tips, if you guys can see that. Now the pen itself, once you charge it, you don't have to charge it for a couple months. It does have an indentation where you actually plug the Type C. There's a power button here and also the syncing button. Now once it turns on, it's going to identify in the Bluetooth as a pencil. It has a flat area surface here where it actually magnetizes into the Apple Pen, Apple iPad, and then you're ready to go. Now the flexibility of the tip is simple. You can remove them by removing them and then adding yourself. Now they do sell additional tips for different brands, and you could use them, interchange them. I've seen artists where they have flat surfaces and other kind of tips that they require. You can always replace these, but once you charge it up, you don't have to worry about for a couple months. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe